319 376 with the 1039 to Liverpool Lime Street. I am the train spotter 5000 and welcome to part 2 at Manchester Airport. 319 376. This is part 2. I'm now terminating. We have a Trams Express service from York. This is slightly delayed apparently. Did you say 158? 185?
I never said anything.
Trains Fan UK, they're making a great error. 185 102. Brilliant, now the station staff don't know what platform it's arriving on. Brilliant. Now departing is the 1045 Northern Electric Service to Manchester Piccadilly. Probably can't see it because of the brightness. You can see it, sorry if you can't see it, the sun is shocking. (319 377). Don't know if you can see it properly. And now terminating again, we've got a tram, a Metrolink tram and a 350 Desiro Trans service from Edinburgh, Waverley or Glasgow, can't remember. 350 401. 403, gone blind, seen 401 earlier.
Oh, sorry guys, I'm just trying to take pictures at the same time.
Multitask.
All the trains are very quiet.
And the tram is 3071. Folks, it's Desi. There goes 3071 back to Cornbrook for Manchester Metrolink trams. And now departing is 185 143 with a 1055 Trans Express service to Cleethorpes via Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly in Sheffield. And sorry if you couldn't see at the start of this video, but the sun was in. The sun doesn't give me much protection at this station. And terminating again, we have a tram to Cornbrook again. What is it? 3102 Cornbrook. Now departing is the 11 o'clock Trans Express service to Glasgow Central via Wigan North Western. 350 403 again. Desi power.
Hashtag Desi power.
No hashtag allowed.
Hashtag True Mondays.
Hello?
Just walked into the train.
I'm now arriving in with a terminating service from Manchester Piccadilly, formed of another 323. Possibly a repeat. So I've been here for a while. 1117 service.
1117 service.
323 238. Manchester Piccadilly via Manchester Airport, okay. What was that stance about?
I don't know.
I'm scared.
Zoom out.
I'm scared.
Best friends.
That guard looked confused. Now departing is 3102 off to Cornbrook from Manchester Metrolink. And I felt another raindrop. Go me!
In your pocket-o. I got your back. I got your back.
That's fair. Now departing is the 1106 Trans Express service to York. 185 102. Jesus Christ! Heart attack! So 323, 225, back again. As I've just, my valves have disappeared now.
What a driver! What a driver!
And I was screaming in. We have a Manchester Metro Link tram going again to Cornwall. I don't really care about plates. 30085. With the most happy people in the world on there. Hang out terminating, we have a Trams Express service here at Manchester Airport. Where's it come from? Blackpool? Blackpool North it's come from. 15144. Well, this is northern these days.
Another picture, do not beep us this time. Apologies, we're doing the middle.
1111. 323, 225, 11.
10, 11. 11, 11.
1111, get it right.
11, 11, 323.
Off to Manchester Piccadilly.
Off to Manchester Piccadilly. And 4 PS, it's not calling at your station. Ha ha ha.
Why, what's this station?
Cheadle.
Oh yeah, Cheadle View, isn't it? I was going to crew in it. It came from Manchester Piccadilly, so we got a half right. World class. There goes 30085 back to Cornbrook for Manchester Metro Link. And now terminating in, we have Llandudno Junction, probably.
No, from Clandon now itself.
Terminating in River Trains Wales 175 from Llandudno Junction.
No, just from Clandon now itself.
Ooh, not from Llandudno Junction. Just from Llandudno. I stand corrected.
So, what are you going to do? So, we
Headbutt
have
175, 101.
175, 101.
There's a caravan. It's right.
And there's a plane landing there.
We don't care about planes. We're train spotters.
Yes, we are. Okay.
Get it right.
Sorry.
Should be. Why is it departing 2 minutes early? 11:17 early service, Northern Rail. 32323 departing early. Why is that departing early? Bucket alive at Picker Lakes, that's Northern Rail. He's a guard, not a driver. And now arriving in, we have another Manchester Metro Link tram off to Cornbrook. Probably another repeat. 3101 again. 31. Terminating 319, 367. Again. That's come back, hasn't it?
No.
Oh, that was 377.
I guessed it at Prescott, didn't I?
67, yeah. Come from Liverpool Line Street.
17 from Liverpool Line Street, the express service.
As is a quiet lull, I'm going to end my video here, so thanks for watching, goodbye.